Hey guys, Adrian here for the Digital Dojos. First off, I do want to excuse you, or excuse myself, because I have a little bit of a cold still going on. So, if I have any coughing or anything during the video, please excuse me. Anyways, today's video is about Rockmelt. Now, this is a browser that's been out for a while. I recently decided to do a quick overview of it just because it had some updates. Basically, it is a social browser. I was supposed to do a video about this a little bit while ago, or a little bit I don't know, I think it was a couple of weeks ago, or actually a couple of months ago when it came out. But basically, it's a new Chromium-based social networking browser, and it's now updated to support Facebook chat, Twitter updates, bookmarks, and read it later functionalities. So I thought, and obviously support for Chromium 10. So it's built off of the kind of the same engine that Chrome is built off. So you can see it's very similar to the whole Chrome interface in terms of tabs and stuff like that. Sorry about that. So you can see here I have what do you call that? I have everything integrated. It looks just like Chrome, but you have these extra features here, and I'm gonna try not to hover over too many people because I don't want to give any names out or anything like that. But you have your Facebook friends on the left here in this little tab, and actually one of them you may be familiar with. It's Duncan Mail on Facebook. I'm sure he doesn't mind me showing him there because his Facebook is public. Anyways, you can see there. I'll show his latest status, and you can see his profile picture. You can also see over here my Facebook updates. If I was to click this, it would show my updates. You can also get my Facebook right there. And then you get Twitter. So you can you click this and you can go into your Twitter stream. So it's all integrated into your browser. Again, very similar to the Chrome look, but instead of having to, have different applications for your Twitter and all that, everything's kind of built in. Very similar to a browser called Flock, which I've done an overview in the past. You can also tweet from the browser, so I can click right here, and I can click on write. I can say, recording a video on Rockmelt. And I'll say tweet. And I'll tweet, and you can go to your settings here and add another Twitter account, etc. So I'm gonna go ahead and go out of that. And this also has support for some add-ons like LastPass, something I use. Here you can also invite your friends. So if you want to invite friends to the Rockmelt, I do have 6 invites, but I think as of now it used to be a private download, like you have to be signed up on the list, but now it's public. So if you do need an invite code, I'll be happy to give those out though. Over here, this supports your Facebook chat here. You can add, or you can show all friends here, and yeah, so those are, I don't want to show too much of that, but you can show all your friends through your little button right there, and that shows all your Facebook friends and all of that, and their latest statuses. Along with that, you can double click to go into chat, or you can see Duncan's recent activity here, so you can see Duncan, what he posted, and all his statuses, which are available via Facebook as well. And you can always write and comment on the statuses. Alright, for the most part, so this is a little splash screen they show you when you join Rockmelt. You can see here, again, share your links, which I've already been talking about. But this button right here, this is a share button. So if I was to go over to a site like Digital Dojos, for example, and as you search, it also integrates search from your social networks like Twitter and Facebook. That way when you're searching, like if you're looking for a friend's name, like I said, like if I type in Duncan, you can see here I get search results in Google, but also in my Facebook friends and stuff like that, so I can search Duncan Mail. Alright, so let's say I click this article on Firefox 4 overview, and I want to share this link. I can click share right here, and I can post a link to my wall, add a comment for it. I can include the thumbnail for the video, but not only that, I click the down arrow and I can tweet the link to Twitter and any other network that I have added. So it's a very sociable browser in the fact that you can share links much easier, and you can share it with your friends, or you can post it as a status, whatever you want to do. Search, like I said, is integrated. You can quickly flip through your search results right here. Like I said, you can just go down and go through all your search results, and it searches not only the engine, but again through your friends. Up to date on your news. This is your news sidebar, which I just mentioned. Of course, connect with your friends. You can stay up to date, see their statuses as they come in, and it also integrates a little status notification in the bottom right that will pop up when they have a post status or something like that. Alright, so this is where you can manage all your apps and feeds. If you want to add a URL, like a feed, like for example, if I want to add www.digitaldojos.com. Actually, I think I'm supposed to add the RSS, but let's see if it. Maybe it'll get the RSS for me. So I'll say go. And okay, so here it is, and I can say add. And what it will do is it'll add this feed up here, where it'll show me all the news stories from. Maybe I think I'm supposed to add the RSS. Let me see if I can do that here. Go here, go to Digital Dojos, click on the RSS link. Maybe that'll work better. Here you go. Digital Dojos.feed. So maybe you want to change that. Hang on. Remove from this edge. Whoops, don't want to do that, my bad. And you can go, sorry, enter the URL again, and I'll enter the feed. Maybe this will show me all my stories here. And again, I can just click this to add it to the bar. Okay, so I guess the same thing, but anyways, it will show you a live stream as the data or the content comes in from the sites you add, so you can stay on the top of your latest news and stuff like that. I just wish it would show you the current story. Oh, there you go, there you go. I just had to take a while to sync. So you can see all the current stories I've posted via the Digital Dojo's blog. Get the thumbnails for the ones that have pictures, and again, you can instantly share it, and you can see the the day it was posted. So that was posted 5 days ago. Right, along with that, you can add stuff like YouTube. These are the featured apps. There's not too many apps right now, as of, you can see here. These are the ones I have. And again, that's why they give you the option to, what do you call that? See them from the most visited sites that you visit. You can create feeds from those, or the recent sites that you visited, and create feeds from those, or you can just enter your URL. So they don't have too many featured apps. Like I can add this YouTube app, but they don't have any like ones by default that are really popular as of current. So you can get more. I'm sure there's more for download and stuff like that, or you can just enter the URL manually, right? And I can just add the YouTube one, and the YouTube one will obviously you can log in and you can find videos, you can have them playing right here. So if you want to kind of just watch a video in your sidebar, you can actually drag it out, so it's also a separate window here, so you can kind of have your YouTube videos playing alongside while you browse. Very, very cool. And again, like I said, it's all built off of Chrome, so as you can see here, guys, it's a really, really great browser. This kind of just gives you an overview of the browser, find and pick through your friends, updating your status, this whole guide. It's really, really simple to use, guys. Think of it as Chrome with social add-ons packed on it. So you still have that Chrome interface in the middle and the same speed that you would get from a browser like Chrome or Firefox, built off of a WebKit. Very, very fast browsing, guys. If you're interested in something, you want a browser that supports all your social networks and stuff like that, and you want to stay on top of things in terms of news and your friends' status updates and all that, do check out this browser at www.rockmelt.com. Anyways, guys, Adrian here for the Digital Dojos, and I'll catch you guys next video. Don't forget to head over to our site at digitaldojos.com. Thanks for watching.